Hi, you guys. So I'm here with Flora, and I just finished her photo shoot and thought I would just take a quick video so you guys could see her details. Flora is sculpted by Priscilla Lopez. She's a limited edition sculpt of number 1200. Um, she has her COA here, and mine is number 356 of 1200. I am so happy with my version. I cannot even tell you how happy I am with her. I have seen a lot of floras lately. I have never said this before, but my version is my absolute favorite version of flora that I've seen so far. She just came out really, really great. I did use Flora for a tutorial series, and that's available on my channel for channel members. If you want to create a baby that looks like Flora. Flora is, I believe, 19 or 20 inches. I'll look it up and put it up here. Mine is weighted extra heavy. She is 7 pounds, 11 ounces. So her neck needs support. She is still nice and squishy. She does have a neck ring, so her head turns well, but her limbs are coated so that they turn very easily also. And I'll bring you guys in for some more details here in a second. I'll take her little hat off. Flora is mono brooded with a combination of alpaca and fine adult mohair from Silk Effects. And here, let me take her hat off and bring you guys in a little bit closer. And actually, here you go. I just wanted to show you guys her head before I mess it up without a hat by laying her back down. But Flora has some really great milia. She has a 3D milk blister. She does have applied brows, so these are real hairs. They're not painted on. You can tell she has rooted lashes and some really great skin texture, if I don't say so myself. She does have full limbs and modeling, veining, all that stuff. Here are her nails, which I'm really happy with. She has an open hand on this arm, and I tried a new effect with these are open, but these two fingers are fused together. So I did some extra dark shading, so from a normal distance, it looks like they are separated. And here are her nails on this side. And her legs, her little toenails are done also, if I can get those to show up. My light is kind of not really great right here right now. And the bottoms of her feet show she has shading, blushing, veining, all that stuff. She has some really great little veins here on the back of her leg, but I don't really think I can get it to show up on camera, but you can see them in person. All right, you guys, so here is Flora. I hope that you guys love my version as much as I do.